Hey guys, Mark from eBlocks here, and in this episode I would like to show you how functions with variables works. So every function has a setting icons here, and if I click on it, I can add to this variable a variable, and I can give it a name. For example, in this example I will give it a name number. So we will create a variable number, and this variable is available here, so we can send something inside of the function. So this number will be available here as a variable number. So right now, let's get rid of this and this and this. So for the beginning, I would like to just set text number to the bottom. And when I will use a number element, I can set that for the beginning it will be 0, and on a click I want to send number 1. Let's check what will happen. So for the beginning we have 0, and on a click we have 1. I'm using exactly the same function, but I'm sending something different to this function. In this way we can get something different with one function. Okay, if I would create 3 buttons, first with button ID button 1, second with ID button 2, and then third with a button 3 ID. Right now, I could create button 1, to button 2 I could give 2, and to button 3 I could give 3. Okay, let's check how it will work. And right now we have actually how it works is that when I click on a button ID 1, I have 1, here I have 2, and here I have 3. But as you see, this is applied to all of the buttons. Why? Because here is up that I applied it to the class button. All of those buttons has a class button. What I could do, normally I would use a block this, which I explained to you in a video number 4, I think. But in the function doesn't understand what is this, because it's something separate. This can be only used inside of this on click. Right now, if I would put this here, it will not understand it. But with the function, we can add a next variable element. And right now, here we can send an element, this, and we can use this element also as a variable. So we want to set text number in element which is sent also with the function. And right now, when I will refresh, we have 1 here, 2 here, and 3 here. Why it's not applied on the beginning? Because I didn't add a this here. So right now, actually this. But how it can know what is this here? It cannot. So here we need to apply it to all of the buttons, or I could apply it globally to all elements with a class button. Okay, let's check. Okay, and right now all buttons with a class button has 0, this one has 1 on a click, 2 on a click, and 3 on a click. And this way we can send numbers to the function and elements to the function. I hope it helped you understand better how functions works and how we can send variable to the function. See you soon in the next video.